what use these places do? Let's keep going. What's up? Hello, dude. What's called what is doing? What is called Honk? Follow me. Wait a minute, is there frosty flowers? Yes, those are one of the things. Wait, back in here. Oh, hey, you, what's up? Hi, you're here. We are the best friends! It was a nice, good day. Wait, what's that noise? Oh shit. Wait a minute, is that not your partner? Ow, that hurt! You see that? You seem to run another portal. Guys, don't another portal. Where am I? But how to get out of here? I don't know, bro. Alright, let's go escape.
Twenty minutes later.
Phew, we made it. Wait, what's in here? Why can't you get in here? I don't know. Wait, I have an idea. Three little portals. Let's check it. Wait a minute, am I in the booyah tank? Yeah, wait, what's there? You still don't like it. Wow, beautiful!
Wait a minute, are you a ducks?
Yup, we're ducks.
Yup, that's going on now too.
That was great!
Will you find jaw clamps with me?
Wait, John Clamps? Is it forgotten from the YouTuber?
Yes, that was a YouTuber. Follow me. Here we go. We are in the same position as you guys.
Yes, that was a great place.
Whoa, are you okay, guys?
Yeah, I saw about it.
Okay, guys, say you next time. I hope you don't forget about me ducks.
Wow, that was beautiful scene. Wow, that was a beautiful dolphin. Wait a minute, is that shark? Wow, this is shark. What is this place? Ah, that's a perfect river. Why is someone scared? I'm scared. Don't worry. What are you doing? Hello? Somebody here? Hello? Oh, because you're so very far.
Hello? Guys, someone help me. Where are you?
No, I can't find you.
I'm up here. Come.
What's happened?
Ah!
so beautiful. That was beautiful. Wait, am I to moon? What is this place? I don't know. Okay, let's go now. Okay. Thanks for the ride, too.
No problem. I hope you good ducks.
But still, when was a blink? Awareness, rockness, rocktail. I don't know flavors. Oh my god, I want to go there. Okay, let's go to the water park. Yay!
Please stop getting on or off the train. Please move inside the car as you enter the train. 此站台是鹤岗方向列车请进京站三江号从凤岗方向前进京站。The train bound for鳳岗 is approaching at platform 4.
train. That was fun.
1 minute later.
Yeah, don't worry, free dog. We promised. Not so fast, Snake Man. We need your help. It's punch time.
Okay, now it's time.
Alright, Snake. Guess what? It's punch time.
Thanks, crush your face.
Ha! 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 Take that, Snake! I'm gonna kill you!
You little stupid snake.
Now it's over, Snake.
So, where's the airport? So, how's flying? I don't know. So, where's the Dublin? So, I am the Netherlands capital, Amsterdam. So, let's go to the restaurant. So, I am eating a cheeseburger. No, what happened? Ow! Wait, am I in the jungle? Stop that, you dumb scream! So, one is located off the Brazil. Rio? Rio? Oh my god! I want to go there. now I'm in the Rio. Good view. Wait, Christopher's Beaver? Oh man.
A few moments later.
So, now I am in the hotel. I'm tired. I have to go sleep now. There's the hunters! Everyone, run! Okay, let's go to the market. Oh my god, the hurts! So now I forgot. I could sleep right there.
Wait, what? Oh my god, I am so hungry. Wait, is this at dark? Yum!
My god, run! Go!
But it's time to go eat you.
No, don't eat me. Where am I? We in his stomach. I have to get out of here.
Yo, this was so tasty.
Holy moly!
That's why I heard the story over and over again. It's where you'll find it on your fridge. That's why I heard the story over and over again. It's where you'll find it on your fridge. What did you say about me? What did she say? What did you do about me?
How dare you, your little ducks!
What did you play? Did you do what someone already forget about? Oh, that's why I heard the story over and over again. Well, I swear to fire me. Who am I? Who am I? What are you ever saying? I'm the hero of the game, you. Did you got your game? This way I know I'm good, mister. I got you red. Now where you run? Where do you go? Where do you run? Yeah, big game. That's why I heard the story going over again. This way funny me around your friend. Oh, that's why I heard the story going over again. This way funny me around.
Oh God, she's alive. Excuse me, you're not supposed to be eaten.
Oh no! I was too young! Oh no!
Hello?
Hi, my name is Noah. Time to go SCP. Wow, it was pretty dark in there.
Yeah, Nora, you have to take a miner hat.
Yeah, let's go, Nora. Take miner hatch.
Wait, what was that sound?
What is that?
It's SCP-173!
Everybody, run!
Mamma mia!
Oh my God, I'm scared! Oh my God, no!
Uh-oh. Guys, we're falling. I don't know. Oh my God, no! Come on, guys, we go land. We're running to the lemon garage.
What the heck? Why I am so wet? Wait, someone drawing. Wait, Duck, are you okay?
Yeah. Wait, what are you?
I'm Flamingo.
Hi, Flamingo. Where should we go?
Let's go to the OB.
Is that Monster Cheeseman?
Here you go. It was too hard, but that... Wait, where's teleported in the them park?
What should we do?
Let's break Fine Machine.
Okay, let's break the machine. Now, like that.
Oh no! It's the monsters! Guys! Run!
Come on, don't let change me. Come on, John, wanna go home. I was just playing.
Oh my god! It's a monster! Oh my god!
Phew, that was close. We're back. Wait, another drone is back.
Wait, what is that?
It's another portal.
Oh, okay. Wait, where am I?
We're in the darkness.
Hi?
Hello?
Yeah, very nice to meet you all.
Oh no, darkness monster is here.
Oh no! The Loch Ness! Everybody, run! That was close. Oh dear.
Guys, we're vegan. We're gonna return into the esophagus.
What's happened, Duck? What is this place?
Okay, let's go search something. King? Oh no, we go to the explosion.
Guys, who to get out of Nezzy's stomach?